When performing an analysis for your project, you will most likely be saving the analysis or even printing it out. If so, it's recommended that you provide information about the company making the project or who the project is made for. Filling out this information is simple. To start, go to the File menu and select Company Info. Here you can insert information about your company, such as company name, address, city, state, and zip code. Filling this out will display on the analysis document. This information is saved globally, meaning that it will be used on all future projects. Next, go to File and then Project Info. You will then fill in information regarding your client or project. You will enter the client's name, project number, description, location, and the designer's name. This too will be displayed on the analysis page. This information is only saved for the current file. Now we will return to the analysis page. As you can see, the information is now entered. We know who made the project and who it was made for. Don't forget that if any of this information changes, you should re-enter it to make sure it's accurate. While it's not required to have this information inserted, it does make for a more professional and complete report when it is provided.